Hi friends, I am Sangita. Welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to prepare a very staple, very comfort food of Orissa. It is a traditional curry from Orissa, which is Dalma. So I am going to prepare that. Generally they use Cholar Dal and lots of vegetables, but let's see what am I going to use there. So let me prepare this Dalma now. Here I took moong dal, 1 bowl of moong dal and 1 bowl of Cholar Dal. You can make this only with Cholar Dal as well, but here I mixed 2 types of dal. First, after washing, we have to boil it. I will boil with hard vegetables like taro, papaya and sweet potato with a half teaspoon of salt and half teaspoon of turmeric powder. You can use pressure cooker as well, but here I am using the karai. I'll cook for 15 minutes till it becomes medium cooked. Now I'll add tomato, brinjal, drumstick, pumpkin and raw banana, and again I'll cook for 10 minutes till the vegetables becomes soft. Once all the vegetables are cooked properly, now I'll add 2 teaspoons of grated ginger. Dalma is nearly done now. Time to temper it. In a separate pan, I'll take 2 teaspoons of ghee. Now I'll add 2 red chilies and I'll add 1 teaspoon of panch foran and pinch of hing. This adds nice aroma in this dalma. Now time to mix with our boiled dal. All the vegetable and dal, everything is cooked properly now. Now I'll add 3 teaspoons grated coconut. At the end I'll add some bhaja masala. For that I roast 2 red chili and 2 teaspoons cumin seeds. I'll roast it and grind it, which I am going to add in my dalma. Now I'll add 1 tablespoon of roasted bhaja masala here. So my dalma is ready. So my dalma is ready now. It's very healthy and very nutritious because you are having so many vegetables at a go. And it's very easy to cook. You don't need too many ingredients to make this recipe, and it goes very well with plain rice. So enjoy this dalma with your plain rice with your family. So if you like my video, please like, share and subscribe to my channel. So that's all from me today. See you all later in my next video. Take care. Bye bye.